Hi guys, I'm Jen, and today I'll be showing you my secret weapons to getting healthy, glowing skin. My skin is dry and sensitive, so I like to make sure the products I use are natural and clean. The Watermelon Glow Mask has been a staple in my routine for about a year now, but I'm loving the new Avocado Retinol Mask. It's made such a difference in my skin. I love to use both in my routine, but in different ways, depending on how my skin is feeling that day. If I'm dealing with hormonal breakouts or my pores feel really congested, I use the Avocado Retinol Mask as a spot treatment. Retinol helps speed up cell turnover and unclog pores, and the ingredients like chamomile and matcha help soothe redness. Then I use a Watermelon Glow Mask everywhere else. The AHAs in the formula really help unclog pores and provide the perfect amount of lightweight hydration to keep my skin balanced and happy so I don't break out anymore. So when my skin is feeling really parched, whether it's dry or dehydrated, I like to double up. I use the Avocado Retinol Mask overnight, and this allows all of the encapsulated ingredients like retinol, which helps speed cell turnover rate, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide time release to deliver their benefits throughout all hours of the night. Then I follow up by using the Watermelon Glow Mask as a 10-minute mask in the morning, and this really helps me get an extra dose of hydration and antioxidants to help protect my skin all day. I also love doing this sequence when I'm going to be wearing foundation, since it really helps prep my skin so well and really helps the makeup sink in naturally and last longer. Even when my skin feels amazing, it's really important to keep up my routine, obviously. During times like these, I like to alternate the nights. I use a watermelon mask and the avocado retinol mask so my skin gets all of the benefits of both masks in my routine. If you don't already have these two masks in your routine, get it together. Glow Recipe just released their limited edition Glow Baby Glow Set, which includes travel size versions of these two masks for $29. A little of these masks go a long way, so this kit will last you a long time, even with daily use. Thank you all so much for watching. I love to hear how you use these masks in your routine, so leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!